Production.
What is poppin'? We're looking at Irish. It's Iris Energy. This is a nice stock that I've been watching, paying attention to. I love the patterns. Looks great. We happen to have a massive move here, right? So since I've been talking about it, like it's been shaping up this, call it an ascending triangle pattern, right? Into this range. We break up out of it and we rip up 70%. If you caught one of the bottom trades here, like the bottom, one of the lows on the lower trend line, you're catching around 160% move, 150%. So we run up into this resistance zone, okay? It's around $7. It's a major zone. We have a lot of resistance in this area, a lot of supply. So it's going to take us some time to break up over it. Now again, I'm going to look at the weekly time frame just to get a better understanding of the stock's price, right? If you look at the 8 EMA here, we get quite extended. And I also like this highlight right here, this tweezer top. So this is indicating that we will have a period of consolidation, right? So it's telling us that this probably wants some time to regather itself after going up 150 to 160%, whatever, 80% depending on where you got in, right? This is just going to take time. I do think there will be another opportunity to catch a higher low, right? To catch by the dip is the term. So when we're looking at the daily time frame, we could look at maybe a retest of the $5 range. I'd be looking towards right around here, 540 potentially. If things continue further down for a bit, that's what I'd be looking for. Just a regather of this 8 EMA before we continue on higher. I think things are going to happen really fast, right? Pump, and then we have several weeks of consolidation, big pump, right? Because we know the crypto space. If you've been following this channel and you've been watching my videos, we know the crypto space is volatile. And things happen so fast. Like right now, all this hype behind the ETFs. It might not be a few weeks until we hear about if one of them gets accepted or not. In those few weeks, we might see some consolidation in price. And that's just people either, I believe, in my opinion, it's people selling because they don't have that much conviction, or maybe people selling because they bought the top right here, $8, and now we're down 20%, and they're like, oh God, I don't want to. They're trying to catch a trade and they missed it, right? But what's going to happen once the news comes out that one of them gets accepted, right? Like it's going to pump hard again. Especially if it's like a big one, BlackRock, Fidelity, maybe potentially like an ARC Technologies or Galaxy Digital Holdings, right? One of these companies get accepted for this ETF. I think it's a big potential move to the upside here, and it's going to happen so fast. So it's important that we pay attention during the consolidation, and we are setting ourselves up to be ready, right? Not waiting for the news, but buying at the higher lows. So if for those who can't picture it, we have this low, high, higher low, back into the resistance, higher low, back into the resistance. We break out. Now we need to create a higher low. Wherever that's going to be in this range is going to give us that opportunity to buy the dip. Right around here, say we create a pattern, another ascending triangle potentially, who knows, but that's what we need to look for. I think things are going to happen fast, so we need to get ready and be fully understanding that like this could go from right now $6.59, it could end the year at $14 potentially. That's how I'm looking at it, right? So I want to be ready for these opportunities when, like right before they're about to happen, type of thing. That's why on a weekly basis we're watching the technicals and we're paying attention. Easy, guys.